Make sure you like, share, and comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't waste no time. Hit it right now. What's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Beat again. I'm back with another little food review. Check out what we eating today, but make sure you like, share, and comment. Hit that notification button down there for sure. But check it out. This is what we trying out today. We trying out a fried Reese's. And a fried Oreos, a fried Reese's. Check it out. Look how it look. Check it out. You see that? See that? It's the bottom of it. We got the peanut butter and Reese's busting out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, but we gonna see what this gonna do. We gonna bust it open first and let you see how it look in the inside before we take a little taste of it. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes, sir. Y'all see that? That's the inside of it. Yeah. Yeah. Take a little bite of that. See what it hitting like. Got that good crunch to it. Look at that peanut butter that chocolate just oozing out. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, it's fried Reese's. Bring the homemade. Bring the own Reese's to the fried Reese's to the house. You'll bring the fare to the house, I trip. Yeah. Look at this little piece right here. Just scoop that up right there. Just scoop that up. Yeah. Look at the peanut butter in it. With the chocolate. Yeah. Real good. Yes, sir. A little something that you try out today. But make sure you like and share, comment, and hit that notification button. A little bleep. Do my little food review. I ate it all this time. We usually don't eat it all, but I ate it all this time. Make sure you follow me on all social medias, all social accounts at Lil Bleep 15. Let's go.